What's going on? I'm all alone, so it's on. Welch World! What's going on? Happy New Year, Merry birthday, happy holidays. Sorry we've been gone for so long, but we back and we better. And it's the new year, so I thought about what better way to pipe it up than to the prank.
Bruh.
Than to prank Demetrius. I'm talking a little fast because he went to our laundry room to do a little laundry. So what I'm going to do is set the camera up right here in our little bookshelf that we need more books for. But that's neither here nor there. I'm going to set the camera up right there, and I'm going to do the coughing up blood prank. Yes, we went to the gym earlier, and so I already set the scene a little bit. After the gym, I was like, ooh, I can't stop coughing. I can't stop coughing. So when he comes back, I'm about to put the hamburgers in the oven real quick. When he comes back, I'm going to be coughing, and then I'm going to hide the napkin under a lot of napkins. Like I'm act like I'm holding the napkin. The napkins over my, I can't talk. I'm act like I was holding the napkins over my face to like shield my cough, and then I'm gonna pull out the blood one, which is really gonna be hot sauce. Team J Mo, if you didn't know, now you know, let's go. So I got a whole group of napkins, and I'm gonna use this one as the bloody napkin. I'm gonna pour some hot sauce on it. Does this look bloody enough? What y'all think? Let's put a little more on there. So I need to let it fan out, air out. I poured too much. Okay. It's the bloody. So what I'm gonna do is have these stack of napkins. I'm gonna get some more. Publix napkins, shout out. I'm gonna get a few more. And then I'm gonna put the bloody napkin in the middle. And I'm gonna have it sitting over there by the window because you know that's my favorite spot. What team is it? Jamano. Let's get it. Let's do this.
You ain't trying to slide?
Not for real.
Shit, I'll probably full up the hamburger. Good. What's that?
I just coughed that.
What is it? I can't see.
It's blood.
That's from Gatorade, one.
No, it's not.
Yeah, I'm probably.
I just coughed it.
Let me see it. I don't think that's blood. How do you feel?
Oh no. Remember I was coughing earlier?
Yeah. I think it's Gatorade though.
It's not.
It's not thick enough to be blood though. You feel bad?
Yeah, my head's starting to hurt.
You need water? You spit up.
I just did.
You letting your head bad. You need some water?
I'm gonna need to go to the hospital.
Hmm.
Call my mama.
Oh God. You wanna go relax. Breathe. Get up, get up.
Call my mama.
And tell her what.
Ah, it's a
That's not funny.
Ooh, oh. Hey, J-Mo. At least I know my baby care about me. I'm sorry.
My heart being fast.
I'm sorry. Give me a kiss. I'm so sorry.
Oh God, just give me a minute.
Just say hey.
My heart is beating fast. Just give me a minute.
You need a minute? Okay. He needed a minute, y'all.
You put hot sauce out there? I know I smell hot sauce. This is not funny.
Whew!
My hair.
We back and we better. Welch World, let's get it. Let's go talk to the L man. Let's talk. We can just talk.
You already got
Talk
me.
to the world real quick.
Okay.
Say Happy New Year.
No, you got me. You got me. My heart is. Let me calm down.
My heart beat too, because I thought he was really finna call my mom. He really was though. Y'all, like, comment, subscribe, and share for more pranks. Listen, I'm coming so hard. He pranked me two or three times last year. My heart being bad. You okay? I'm coming hard. This year, 2018, I'm coming hard. So be there or be square. Because if you ain't here, you ain't nowhere. And always remember, never forget, God is good all the time. All the time, God is good. Hallelujah. Like, share, comment, and subscribe. Welch World, we out.